Hello guys, this is a demo for RCC roof. As you can see in the video, simply assign a project name, customer name, location of the project, which type of project it is, what's the size of the project. You can simply select the address here, type in address and click next. Now on the next step, you have to simply draw the roof in which whole area you want to place the panels. As you can see the precise location that you are getting from it, you can adjust the height of the roof, the parapet wall and dimensions of the parapet wall. Now here you have to add the obstructions on the roof, like elevated roof on the roof, which can cast shadow on the plant. You can simply adjust its height and dimensions. You can also add a tree and any other obstruction. You can add the dimensions and everything in a proper manner. On the next step, you have to select the brand of the panel that you're going to use, the brand of the inverter that you're going to use, and simply place the panels by grid mode or by draw area mode. In grid mode, you simply place the table, can move it anywhere, wherever you like it. You can simply adjust the dimension so of its front leg. Type of structure you're going to use is it C channel, square channel, whichever type of structure you're going to install. You can simply select, look in the 3D how it looks with a proper shadow analysis. You can also use the draw area feature in which you can simply draw the whole area in which you want to place the panels. And the number of panels which can be fitted in that area will be placed by my software. As you can see, you can also adjust height and can do a proper shadow analysis, can see efficiency of the panels where you can see which panel is how much efficient. You can also adjust the axis of the sun to the different weather in our software. To have the precise shadow analysis, you simply have to place the inverter. Now do the auto stringing in which all the string will be made by my software and there will be pictures that you want to present in the proposal. Simply click them to generate the proposal. The SLD will be auto generated and all the reports will also be auto generated.